right, here we are in the creative kitchen, and we're looking at the back side of the China cabinet. And this is Tony, who has made this contraption in our monster garage. So it's an air bladder designed to pneumatically lift a car suspension. So he's welded up this custom dolly and rig, and you can see we've got this air tank here with an assembly of valves and so forth. And so the idea, when the cannon goes off into play, is that we'll have some dishes on shelves in this cabinet, and this cabinet's just going to lurch forward and mock or simulate those dishes, rattling due to the earthquake or the cannonball fire, actually. So here we go. We're going to give it a test. So Tony has a valve there, and when that valve gets turned, you'll see what happens here to the cabinet. And I'm going to put the camera by the side because we want about 3.5 inches of lift there. So whenever you're ready, 3, 2, 1. All right, so you can see it rock. There it goes. And you can see how it kind of lurches forward, and we have a stop on it so that it stops. And this gap right here is 3.5 inches from the ground, and you can see that when he lever up
that wiggles like
and then go down. Okay, now I'm going to come around to the front and show you what it's going to look like from the audience view. All right. And 3, 2, 1. You can see how it shakes forward, and then when he releases the valve, it goes back on its back. So you don't have to worry about this over tipping, because I want to point out a safety mechanism Tony's built in. There's that washer assembly back there. That's an automatic dead stop. So when this is released, no matter who pulls the handle, they can't over lift the unit. It will automatically stop exactly in the position that you see here. So safety has been considered, and we have some ballast weight and sandbags there so that the unit collapses back to the ground efficiently. All right, so that concludes our first test.